Hello, parents and guardians of Preston 1B German students. Welcome to the new school year. I am very excited to be in the classroom with the students this year and establishing norms and doing things that we weren't able to do last year, being remote and then being so completely separated and divided as a class last year during hybrid. And we were just really starting to get rolling at the end of last year when, what do you know, it was the end of school. So I am really looking forward to this year just flooding their ears with input that is German, as much German as I can give them, and make it comprehensible to them at the same time. That's how you learn a language, is listening and understanding what you're hearing, and then reading. So they're going to have opportunities every day to do those two things. I talk with kids about bringing their 50%, so I can bring my 50% of my love of the German language, my lesson plans, my organization, my resources. They need to bring their 50% to the learning, which is their listening and their positive participation. So when someone is talking, they're listening, they're not talking. And when I ask them to participate, they do what I ask them to do to show their understanding. I don't have specific plans other than we will be reading 2 books throughout the school year, specifically one about an exchange student mouse. And I have some other very fun things planned as well. So, as always, if you have questions or concerns, email me, jsimpson@psdschools.org. That's the best way to get a conversation started. Even if you say, hey, Ms. Simpson, we'd like to talk with you, when is a good time? Because calling the phone in the classroom is just not a good thing to use anymore because of not knowing when someone's classes are. And often during my planning period, I'm downstairs making copies or checking in with my partner teacher. All right then, thank you. Thank you for trusting our kids to you, and we will continue to mask up and be safe as long as it takes to get through this pandemic together. Thank you. Take care.